Hi guys, welcome to the channel again, and I really hope you all are well in these dangerous and frightening times that we are in now. And I also hope you will enjoy this new video that is about how to change a battery in a contemporary car with a lot of electronics and computers that you can mess up with if you don't do it right. So stay tuned and watch it right after this. This Mercedes CLS has a small battery under the dash to protect the data. So in theory, it should be possible to remove the battery without losing the data. And I called the dealership and they told me just remove the key so you won't use too much power while changing the battery. I did it, and I took the positive clamp off the battery and the alarm went off. So I immediately had to put the power back on because I couldn't shut off the alarm. So they were wrong at that point, and they forgot to tell me about that. So they were completely wrong. So I went looking on YouTube and I found some guys that put the power of an old battery on the car, removed the battery without any problem, and I did so and it went perfectly. Well, to remove the battery, to free the battery, we will have to open the compartment with 3 clips. Like you can see here, one in the middle, one in the left side, remove it, the right side, remove it, and the one in the middle, remove it like this, and then it should come off like this, and there it is, the battery. You have to load them in winter time at least once a month, and especially now in these times of lockdown, when the car isn't used much, you have to load it once a month at least. Free the positive, clamp it, the negative clamp is here, put it on like so. When you change it, it has to be an AGM technology battery of the same type as this one, or the computer won't take it as the right one. As you can see, it is an absorbent glass mod technology. So AGM technology, and it has a special way to load it. So, and when you are trying to load the battery, when you put the power on the loader, it automatically checks the voltage and it starts loading drop-wise, slowly loading, and that's the good way to do it. I already loaded this one a few hours, but you see it is still not fully charged. But before to change the battery, you can't put the loader on like I did here, because these loaders, when they don't feel 12 volt, they shut down and there is no power on the car, and you will lose all the data. Then you will have to go back to the dealership to have it programmed again, and that would cost $200 to $250. So in order to do it right, you take an older battery with 12 volt on it, put the positive clamp of the battery here, the negative here, remove the old battery, replace it with the new one, and then you can remove these clamps again. So if you want to change the battery, remove this cap and protect the positive so you can put it aside and it won't touch the negative of the body of the car. But you have to protect it in some cloth or some tape, and then remove the negative. Then you can lose the bolt you see down there in paper here. You can lose the bolt 10mm and remove the bracket, and then you can remove the battery itself and change it with a new one. When you replaced the new battery, don't forget to close this positive clamp and put the cover back on like you took it off, but just in the other way around, and put the clips back on. 1, 2 and 3. So that's it. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, and you would really do me a pleasure if you would support the channel and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you very soon.